संसदेर आशिल्ल्या कचऱ्या संबंधी गोंय सरकाराच्या उच्च स्तरीय समितीची बसका मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल मंगळारा दीस पर्वरी विधानसभा इमारतीन जाली। बसकेक संबंधित सरकारी अधिकारी, गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री सावंत, उपमुख्यमंत्री सरदेसाय, आमदार रेजिनाल्ड, मडगांव पालिकेची नगराध्यक्षा बबिता प्रभुदेसाय हजर आसले। फोमेंतो कंपनीन कंत्राट रद्द करता अशें नगरपालिकेक कळयलां। तांचे कंत्राट रद्द जाल्या उपरांत सरकाराच्या गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट महामंडळा कडल्यान संसड्या वयल्या कचऱ्याची विलेवाट लायतले अशें मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान सांगलें।
ते ऑलरेडी उजो येतालो तो सगळो बंद जाल्लो आसा। आमी उरला एक मातसो म्हाका दिसता 2% कितें तरी उरला, तो आयज सांजचो पर्यंत सगळो बंद जातलो। दुसरें ताजेर आत्तां प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स कितें घेवपाचें तें आमचे ऑलरेडी कलेक्टर थंयसर आसा आनी इवन दो PC PWD आसा ते सगळे करेक्टीव मेजर्स तेंच्यांनी घेतल्या। सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट हांकांय सांगलां आमी लक्ष दवर, म्हणजे पावसान आमकां तेजो कसलोच प्रॉब्लेम जावचो न्ही। उरलो तो प्रोजेक्ट रन करताले फोमेंतो, तांच्यांनी प्रोजेक्ट रन करताले ट्रीट करपाचे। फोमेंतून ऑलरेडी आमी टर्मिनेट जाता, आमी विड्रॉ जावपाक तयारी आसा हें दाखयलां, बट तांचे पेमेंट्स थोडेशे कितें आसा ड्यूज ते करपाक जाय। सो दॅट ती सेटलमेंट तांच्या चेअरमॅना कडेन हांव आनी डेप्युटी CM बसून तेची पेमेंट्स कितें तरी तेंच्यांनी जी इन्वेस्टमेंट केल्ली आसा तेजी पेमेंट्स आमकां सेटलमेंट करून आमी फोमेंतो स्वताहून भायर सरपाची तेंच्यांनी तयारी दाखयल्या। तांकां भायर सरल्या उपरांत आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या बरोबर अलॉंग वीथ द सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन तेंच्या बरोबर टायप करून नवीन सिस्टीम कितें तरी प्लेस करपाची आयदर थंयसर हें डिसायड केल्लें आसा। बट ती प्लेस करपा खातीर वील रिक्वायर एटलिस्ट अरावंड 3 मंथ, 3 ते 4 म्हयन्यां पावस येता 3 ते 4 म्हयन्यां मदीं नवीन सिस्टीम काडून सोनसड्यावेली पूर्ण गार्बेज ही ट्रीट करप ही गव्हर्मेंटान प्रायोरिटी घेतलेली आसा।
कचऱ्याक कोणी मुद्दम उजो लावंक ना, लोकांनी बेश्टो बोवाळ घालचो न्ही अशें उपमुख्यमंत्री सरदेसायन सांगलें।
They are not citing any CSR. They are citing a concessionaire agreement signed in 2011 before Dr. Pramod Sawant or Vijay Sardesai could become MLAs. आम्ही निवडून आयल्या मार्च 2012. November 2011 ano agreement sign kela. We are inheriting this issue and we are trying to solve it. This is something which we have inherited, not a creation of ours. फर्स्ट सगळ्यांनी हें समजून घेवंक जाय, गोंयचे जनतेकूय कळूंक जाय। दुसरें लोकांची एक सेंटिमेंट आहा की सेग्रिगेटेड गार्बेजूच येवंक जाय। रिजनल टोनचो लोकप्रतिनिधी आमी ताका सांगिल्लें आहा, आमी ताका डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आहा की सेग्रिगेटेड गार्बेजूच येवंक जाय, कित्याक सरकार सेग्रिगेशनाचे फॉर आहा। पूण आतां पब्लीक कितें जालां की इवन सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट हाडपाक दिना खंय। सो देन देर वील बी देन दीस कॅनॉट बी अलावड। ना जाल्यार ती खंय उडोवप, व्हरप खंय न्ही, सालिगांव हाडप थंयच्यान। सो लोकांनी मातशें समजून घेवंक जाय, दीस इज नॉट मॅन मेड थिंग, इट इज समथींग वीच इज अ नॅचरल कॅलॅमिटी सॉर्ट ऑफ। मिथेन जो भितरल्यान जाला तो कोणाक उजवात पेटोवंक ना, थंय नेचरांतल्यान पेटला तो। आमी सरकारान सगळें कितें करूंक जाय तें केल्लें आहा आनी अजून मेरेन आमी सक्षम आहा की कितेंय चॅलेंज जाय ती वी वील मीट द चॅलेंज एंड वील नीड कोऑपरेशन फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑफ गोवा। बट वॉट एवर दे हॅव सफर्ड, वी आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग देम, वी आर सेइंग सॉरी टू देम फॉर दॅट, बट वी आर आस्किंग देम टू हॅव सम पेशन्स।
लोक बोवाळ करतात, तांकां त्रास जाता म्हूण सरकारान पयलीं थंय आशिल्ल्या कचऱ्याची विलेवाट लावची, ते करपा खातीर आमी सरकाराक तेंको दिवपाक तयार आसात अशें आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सोन सांगलें।
Once he exists, we have to put a new person in place and a new technology in place. Before the person, technology. Existing dump aha to I sangela, we have to close it. We can't put any more garbage on it. आता गार्बेज आहेत ती सेग्रिगेटेड येवपा जाय। आतां आमगे लोकांन हाडायल्या थिंगा। आतां इशू इज हाडप सारकें आहा काय ना तें, हाडप सारकें आहा, कित्याक जो पर्यंत सेग्रिगेटेड येना तो पर्यंत तेच्यान वयर व्हरोंक जायना। आतां म्युनिसिपालिटी इज सेइंग they require some time to have the thing put in place. But one thing is there in the meeting. I have told them we will have a meeting immediately, soon after the exit of this, to put the second in place. Now all these things are in a direction which will take some time, but we are on a very serious note to finish it. I have explained my stand and my people's stand. We want the Sastra dump to go. So the first thing, soon after rains, it is going to be tendered and remediation is going to start on the existing dump. In that we will assist the government. There is no question of opposition, no question of politics. Existing dump remediation करपाक नोव्हेंबरान स्टार्ट जातलो, इट वेरी क्लियर आहा। क्लोज करून स्टार्ट करपाचें। आतां एक्जिस्टींग प्लांटाक तो एक्झिट जालें काय ना हें करपाचें। आतां आमगे लोकांगे एप्रिहेंशन आहा आमी गार्बेज व्हरोन दिसनी. I think we have to come to terms somewhere as far as that existing terms are. Seriousness is totally there. I told the Chief Minister we'll have a high-powered committee immediately. Now it is onus of responsibility lies on the Chief Minister and the Tamdan Minister to go to the Fomento Green and negotiate the exit. Till such time we have to wait. If they don't do it, and if this doesn't happen, we will go to the streets back again to see that our job is done. The interest is of the people. No, that we let them take a decision, let them talk to those people. Whether they will allow or not, they will take a decision. But this is my stand as far as I am concerned. Now, we want the dump to be sealed and dump to be, which is part of the HPCC today. And the existing Padeha, I think there are some issues there which have to be settled.
मडगावची नगराध्यक्षा म्हणटा फोमेंतो कंपनीन बील दिला मात ताचेर व्हडा प्रमाणात व्याज लायला. इतले बील जाले कशें हेच कळना.
जे पळय बेलिंग ते करपाचे आशिल्ले जे पळय अबाउट 40% आमचे बेलिंग ऑलरेडी चालू आसा वीच वी आर डुईंग. दे आर नॉट डुईंग इट वेन दे वर सपोज टू डू इट बाय द कन्सेशनर्स एग्रीमेंट. So I think once we do that, then I think there should be some solution, an interim relief to the day-to-day garbage problem.
You asked for police protection for this one?
We did ask for the police protection today because kalchan amche thunje thode lokani amchi garbage stop kelli asa, saying that it is not coming in a segregated manner. Now segregation does not happen overnight. Plus we have been telling them that जे पण dark spots cityतले आसात आणि जे पण 11 पंचायती भोवतणी आसात, they don't have a plan of action to handle their garbage. So most of it is coming from there. We are getting about 15 tons a day from these around panchayats, from these dark spots where everybody is coming and dumping overnight. So and ती जर तुम्ही garbage पळयली, it is coming in such a filthy manner. तातूंत animal slaughter आसा, तातूंत सगळे तरेची घाण आसता, तातूंत construction debris आसता येते. So now even we have today assured कि maybe we'll put our own people there and try and segregate that also, because if we are supposed to, we are sending it in a segregated manner. पूण आज ताणी जी पळय even marketतली segregated chicken waste and all that stuff, even those they have stopped. The vehicles will start stinking if they don't allow it to be to go on top. So we have asked for the police protection.
So CM agreed?
Yeah, they said we will do that.
MMC total segregated waste atta.
See, MMC, we have achieved about 40% segregation, very frankly. I'll be frank about it. We are trying our best to, we have tried to put the logistics into place, we have tried, but the people are still, not giving us, maybe there are lapses on our side also, because we did not have the enough machinery to pick up the driveway separately, to pick up, so we are in a process of trying to put things. 40% we have achieved, but I think it will take us some time. It doesn't happen overnight. It is not like a click of a button. You do segregation.
So how much they are claiming now to terminate this contract?
See, their claim today, which came, I think, was something like 30 crores. Which I think the government has to look into.
So what they have asked for? What was their this thing? Amount they have claimed.
Earlier, the termination notice that came to us was of 13 crores 85 lakhs.
And out of that 6 crores?
Almost to the tune of over 6 crores is only the interest component.
But that time what happened after that?
No, this was just about a month back.
वर्षाक 7 crore दिवपाचे आशिल्ले.
The total amount was 7 crore. But again, a lot of scope had changed in the concessioners agreement. Scope of work had changed. And there was certain delays on the part of the municipality, which they say कि तुम्ही आमका pay करना, and there were reasons for that delay because they did not execute the work as what was scheduled to be executed. So because of that there was a discrepancy and there was a delay in the payment as per the schedule that was given. So they are now claiming interest on that and lot of other components, and which came as a shock to us also today. They are last termination notice dhadili. They suddha they have asked for the termination. We have not asked for the termination. Last termination notice dhali त्याप्रमाणे they have claimed some 13 crores and odd amount, which तातूंतलो जवळ 6.5 कोटी is only the interest that they are claiming. So that is what is a disputed figure.